Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and a compatible IR camera is connected. Next, you must set a PIN because Windows Hello requires one. Go to Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options. Once there, select Windows Hello Face and choose Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to position your face. The camera captures multiple angles so recognition is reliable. This step establishes the secure foundation that Windows Hello needs to map your facial features accurately. Once done with the initial camera capture, the setup guides you through slow head movements so the system records angles and depth. This improves accuracy. Make sure lighting is even and avoid backlight because infrared sensors can be thrown off by glare. If you wear glasses or change your look often, enable Improve Recognition so Windows stores additional data points. This process balances convenience and security by creating a robust facial model, rather than a single static image. After setup, test signing in and unlocking with your face to confirm success. Also try app authentication where supported. If recognition fails, first retrain your face using Improve Recognition, then check Device Manager for camera driver updates and reboot. Make sure firmware and Windows updates are current. If problems persist, disable Windows Hello Face, remove the face data, and run the setup again. Keep a PIN or fingerprint as fallback to maintain access while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.